Most people get this wrong when trying to log into Hulu with their TV provider. They assume any cable subscription automatically unlocks Hulu access. But here's the problem. Hulu only works with certain TV provider partnerships, and many users accidentally enter the wrong account information during setup. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, logging into Hulu with a TV provider is easier than before. But one small mistake can completely block access. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to log into Hulu using your TV provider, how to activate your account correctly, and the fastest way to fix common login problems. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is this. Not every TV provider includes Hulu access. This is where most people fail immediately. Some providers offer Hulu through special bundles, live TV plans, or promotional partnerships. Others do not support Hulu authentication at all. So before trying to log in, confirm your provider actually includes Hulu access. For example, Alex assumed his standard cable package included Hulu because it came with streaming apps. But Hulu was never part of his subscription. The easiest way to check is through your provider account dashboard or subscription details. Now, once you confirm access, open the Hulu app on your TV, phone, tablet, or streaming device. Select Login. Sometimes Hulu gives you two options. Log in directly with email, or log in with a TV provider. Choose the TV provider option if your subscription supports it. Now here's where it gets interesting. Hulu may display an activation code on your screen instead of asking for your password immediately. Don't panic. This is completely normal. Simply open the activation website shown on your TV using your phone or computer. Then enter the code displayed on the screen. After that, select your TV provider from the list and sign into your provider account. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. Many users accidentally enter their Hulu credentials instead of their TV provider login. For example, Jake entered his Hulu email instead of his Spectrum account details during activation. Hulu rejected the login even though his subscription was valid. So always use the correct provider username and password during this step. Now in a minute, I'll show you how to fix activation errors if Hulu still won't work. But first, there's another important thing you should know. Some TV providers only support Hulu through bundled Disney or live TV plans. That means regular internet or cable service alone may not unlock Hulu access. So if the provider login keeps failing, double-check exactly which subscription package you have. Now let's fix the most common Hulu provider login issues. First, restart the Hulu app completely. Second, restart your streaming device or smart TV. Third, clear old app data by uninstalling and reinstalling Hulu. This refreshes the activation process and fixes many login problems instantly. And here's another quick tip many users overlook. If your provider password recently changed, Hulu may still be trying to use old login credentials stored in the app. So manually re-enter your provider login instead of relying on autofill. Now here's where most users get frustrated. If Hulu works on your phone but not on your TV, the issue is usually device-related, not account-related. Older smart TVs sometimes stop supporting newer Hulu updates properly. Testing another device quickly helps isolate the problem. So, to summarize, first confirm your TV provider actually includes Hulu access. Choose the TV provider login option inside Hulu. Enter the activation code if prompted, and sign using your provider credentials carefully. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more streaming tutorials and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.